Welcome to the Life Coach Academy's coaching video series. In this session, we will discuss the PFL Triad, shift your emotional frequency and reclaim your peak state. When you're feeling low, unmotivated, or stuck in negative emotions, the PFL Triad is a powerful tool to help you shift your emotional frequency and return to a peak state. PFL stands for Physiology, Focus, and Language, three interconnected elements that influence how you feel. By consciously changing these, you can quickly elevate your mood, boost your confidence, and regain control of your mindset. How the PFL Triad works. Physiology. Your body and emotions are deeply connected. When you feel down, your body often reflects this with slouched posture, shallow breathing, or a lack of energy. To shift your state, stand up straight with your shoulders back and chin up. Adopt a Superman pose, hands on hips, chest open, and feet firmly planted. Take deep, slow breaths to calm your mind and energize your body. Changing your physiology sends a signal to your brain that you are strong, confident, and in control. Focus. Where your attention goes, your energy flows. When you're feeling low, your focus is often on negative thoughts or past failures. To shift your focus, recall a specific moment when you felt proud, confident, and motivated. Visualize that memory in vivid detail. See the scene, hear the sounds, and feel the emotions. Immerse yourself in that positive feeling and let it fill your entire being. Shifting your focus to a positive memory interrupts negative thought patterns and replaces them with empowering emotions. Language. The words you use shape your reality. Negative self-talk like, "I can't do this," reinforces low-frequency emotions. To change your language, replace negative thoughts with powerful affirmations. I am confident. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I can do this. I attract money, success, and joy effortlessly. I am happy for what I have achieved so far. Say these affirmations out loud with conviction and emotion. Positive language reprograms your mind and reinforces your new emotional state. Example, from underconfident to empowered. Imagine you're feeling underconfident and demotivated. Here's how to use the PFL Triad. Physiology. Stand tall in a Superman pose. Take deep breaths and smile. Focus. Recall a time when you achieved something great. Feel the pride and confidence of that moment. Language. Repeat affirmations like, I am confident. I am powerful. I attract success effortlessly. Within minutes, you'll feel a shift in your emotional frequency, moving from doubt to empowerment. Why it works. The PFL Triad works because it addresses the three key areas that influence your emotions: your body, thoughts, and words. By changing your physiology, you signal confidence to your brain. By shifting your focus, you redirect your energy toward positivity. And by changing your language, you reinforce these changes at a subconscious level. Conclusion. The PFL Triad is a simple yet transformative tool to shift your emotional frequency and reclaim your peak state. Whether you're feeling low, stressed, or unmotivated, this exercise can help you bounce back quickly. Remember, you have the power to change how you feel. Stand tall, focus on the positive, and speak words of empowerment. You are confident, powerful, and unstoppable. Don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Watch the next lesson for deeper insights on manifesting your goals.